Welcome to Kartra versus LeadPages head-to-head comparison number 1. This review is brought to you Marketing Funnels Lion. First, a quick disclaimer. So what is Kartra? Kartra is an all-in-one online business platform that provides a variety of tools and features to help entrepreneurs and small business owners create and manage their online presence. These tools include websites building, email marketing, membership sites, affiliate management, and more. It is an alternative to using multiple different software and services to handle these different aspects of running an online business. And what is or what are LeadPages? Well, LeadPages is also a web-based tool that helps users create and design effective landing pages for their websites. It provides templates, integrations, and analytics to improve marketing campaigns and increase conversions. It's a great option for online marketers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners who want to generate more leads. And how do they stack against each other? How does Kartra compare with LeadPages? Ready to go? Let's do this. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Visual Campaign Builder. As you can see here, Kartra can create goal-based automation, campaign triggers, custom weight steps, and conditional filtering, features that don't exist in LeadPages. The other features are matched one for one, except with some limited availability of pre-built campaign marketplaces, and web page templates are also limited. Let's review this in more detail. So welcome to Kartra. The automations, and specifically goal-based automations, can be set up here under Communications, and again, Communications and Automations. Currently, we have several automations set up that are brought as part of the campaign. One of the campaigns, or you can call it templates, that are available on my website. You can take a look at that at your leisure, but here is the preview of the pages. This is one of my most popular campaigns for female coaches. And that campaign, once imported into Kartra, can also bring you some automation. So let's go back to automations. How would you create a goal-based automation? So clicking on a green plus sign here, you can create a new automation. And what would be a goal-based automation? So for example, if a lead, and you have a number of options here, but let's say that when lead buys a product, that's one of the most frequent ones, or even plays a video. So let's do this one. When lead plays a video, and let's just pick this female coach video, we can then assign, tag, or for that matter, use any of the triggers here: give points, extract points, grant membership, subscribe, lead to a calendar, and so forth. So that would be an example of a lead-based automation. The next one to review is the campaign trigger. So let's take a look at the campaigns, or email campaigns. We also refer to them as sequences. So within a sequence, let's say the list opt-in sequence, we can set up the campaign triggers. Kartra doesn't have any limit. You can create unlimited number of triggers. And for example, within an email itself, you can set a number of triggers to generate a specific response and action. In this case, we are assigning a number of points if someone opens an email. Let's see what other triggers are available. So for example, if the lead clicks on a link or A popular one is either opens the email or doesn't open the email. So let's just say when lead opens the email, you can assign any of these actions. You can think of this as what if or if then statement, a very simple script that actually makes sense in English. If something happens, then do this. The next one is the custom wait steps. So, for example, if we want the sequence to be more effective, we can actually modify this specific sequence. I can remove the connecting line here and insert a wait step. And this is what the custom wait step is. We can add a specific number of days or hours or execute this on a specific date. So let's add, let's say 10 days wait in here. And we'll reconnect the sequence, activate it. It looks a little odd. You can hit on arrange items and it will jump right in the middle. Perfect. So we have a custom wait step. And then we also have conditional filtering within email sequence. So again, let's just say this one, edit. And conditional filtering is built into each email. You see, right here you have the recipients block. This can be edited to include other activities. So for example, it could be anyone reaching this step, so there's no condition, but it could be that the lead has to be subscribed to a specific list. One of the common ones would be has purchased the product or not purchased the product. So think of this. If this is a sales sequence and somebody bought the product, well, do you want them to receive the rest of the sales emails? Probably not. So what you would activate here is has not purchased the product. You can pick any product in this case and add that. Once it's saved, you can see that the recipients will only allow anyone that has not purchased either a specific product or any product. And if someone did purchase the product, they will fail this condition and they will not receive email number 2. For that matter, they will be stuck in this step and they will not receive any other emails as well. LeadPages has limited campaigns marketplace. You can see that the marketplace in Kartra, where you can purchase pre-built campaigns, is very extensive. You can scroll for pages and pages and pick any of these campaigns. We also sell the campaigns. You can take a look at them directly on our website. It's the exact same process. We don't list them on the marketplace as we prefer direct to customer, direct to user, direct to you approach. And finally, the last difference between LeadPages and Kartra is in the web page templates. Where can you find the templates if you don't want to purchase the existing campaign? So under pages, you can create a new page from here, and you certainly can work from a blank canvas, but then you have a number of page templates. So some of the popular ones are the long sales pages, for example. Kartra actually recently released a number of new pages. We have reviewed them in one of our other videos. Feel free to take a look at our review. Some of the pages are really well designed and others are so-so. You can certainly use them. So how would you use one of these templates? Simply preview or select, and once you select it, you can launch the builder. But let's preview one, so this will be a little quicker. So this is a fully designed page with the blocks that you have to replace. You have to bring your logo and just your images and your copy. In many cases, you also have to create the backend logic for forms and email integrations. We'll be happy to help you with that if you need any of that. All right, so that's the end of the comparison. Thank you. This review was brought to you by Marketing Funnels Lion. You can visit our website, www.fastv8now.com, and we'd appreciate your support. Please click subscribe to our channel. If you would like to get involved and be part of the community, join us on Patreon at patreon.com Marketing Funnels Lion, and the link is in the description. Thank you. See you in the next video.